Hello, good evening. Good evening, everyone. Tonight I was in the mall because I buy a cat litter for my cat, and also I buy for ingredients for my cooking show tomorrow. No. I'm gonna cook tomorrow, so I buy my ingredients and also what I bought in the SM. I buy a cotton for my face, sponge, butter. I bought a different kind of butter. And also muscovado, a flour, and also this one will be coconut and sweet corn. Also about sunscreen for my face. This one I like to use this, and cat litter for the house. This one that is I want to use this for Yuki. I want to show you that Yuki, he has a lot of money. So right now, he's here right now beside me, in front of me. Look at Yuki, you have lots of money, Yuki. You can count it. Count it, Yuki. No, i-count mo na yung money mo. Oh, ang dami niyang coins. Bilangin mo na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Joke lang bitaw, guys. Joke lang mga kordapya, Anyway, I'm happy that Yuki is alright now. I'm happy that our cat here in the house is so good na. Look at him. Yuki, look at the camera. Sige, I need to ano tawagan niya? Kanaganing, ibutang na dere. I need to put it back, this pants in my pocket. Because sometimes, when going to the mall, dami nilang bigay na sentabo. So, sometimes we need to give it back to them, this one. Para mabawasan po ang nasa akong pitaka. Oh, lagyan kayo. Tabang, mga tabang. Taon na ni. Tabang, Yuki. Wala mo kay tingog, be. Ano ang tingog, be? Nawa na, be. Tabang ba? Tabang. You should help me how to put it back, this one in my pocket. Kuya, padali, dagan kayo ba? Isa isahon yun mo. What if na lang kung mabilang ng ala ka dala, magbilang ng coins every year. Yeah, because we have a pig here in the house. Every time we have a coins, we gonna put it in the pig. Yuki, what happened? You want to talk to them? Sabihin mo, hello mga kordapya! Meow, meow! Mga kordapya! Naayon na po gamay! But I need to rest a little bit here in the house. Hello! Hello! Nalabihin ka, gusto mo kinsa manabi mo. Kinsa na, bi? Shh. Kinsa na? Hmm? Kinsa man na? Ina. Hmm? Oh. Kinsa man na? Oh my goodness! Joke lang, oy. Waning kaligayahan na ako sa balay. Ang kaligayahan ng buhay ko. Ano? Kaligayahan ng buhay ko. Kaligayahan! Kaligayahan! Be? Bebe? Yuki? Yuki? Yuki! Ming, 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 ming. Ming, 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 ming. Sige na, bye na kay... Ay, sige, continue na lang ako. Maliit ko. So, I'm gonna continue what I'm doing right now. Gonna open this one. Ganahan ko ano yun. Kay sweet siya. Dapat kung liquid ay katong dessert. It should be, I get those one na it's easy to open. It's easy to open. The other one, gani kay init pa dito siya o kanang kuan yung ani. Can opener. Wait. Kaong kani kay bro gimingon ako mais. I mean, I wanna eat this because I miss eating this one. Let's eat it. This is my dinner. I'm gonna transfer my food here in a little bowl. This one. Also, I have a banana here. This one. I like to eat this one. Ano lang. This kind of banana, I like this. Na steamed banana. Yeah, really nice. I don't know what's called in English. It's like nilagang saging, this one, like that. Also, I have this one. And later, I'm gonna drink water. Okay. I'm gonna feed my cat. Okay. No. This one, no? Done? Okay. Hold on. Huwag yan. Speaker yan. Next. Ang wali na matanggal yung kukudura. Oh my goodness. Don't put your nail there. Dabe? Let me check. Ito yung speaker namin kasi inalagay niya yung kamay niya, yung kuko niya. I'm excited to do what I'm gonna cook for tomorrow. So, this night, I'm going to watch a video how to make this one. Inluwan akong dalunggan ni Kurdapyo. Si Kurdapyo is dumi ang tinga. I don't know why. Why it's so dirty? Dirty ang ano ni Kurdapyo. Kurdapyo, lay down. Tapos ganun ng ano mo. I'm gonna clean your ears. Anyway, I already done the other side of the ear of Yuki. In the left side, kanika right side na po. Ewan, bakit ang dumi-dumi nito? Magalinis man ako. La 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 la. Saan natin ba kinabang mo ba? Ano naman tingaw-gaw? Ay! No. Dili lang sa outer akong gana i-clean. Dili na kasi sa sulod. Sige, tama na. Let you na yung dalunggan. Kaso, ang iyang kuko, dili mo pagupit, kay maldito man. Saon ako ni. Dayan na to yung buhok biha. Gonna comb your hair. Comb na to, comb. It's gonna comb your hair. Naman ni siya brush. Kaso, nakalimot ko na butang ba? Para dili gani mag kubul-kubul ay para dili mag form iyang ano ba, yung buhok. Yung kanina sudla iki wa man nang ginagamit. So, I'm gonna use this. Ayaw na ko siya, away naman siya. Away na amal dito. Tutug tasbih. So, good morning. Cause today I'm going to make pico, piaya, and also a grilled banana. So, I'm gonna start what I'm doing right now. I already cooked the glutinous rice or the malakit rice, this one. So while I'm doing laundry, I'm going to cook my dessert. One. Going to put here my buko. add this muscovado so that it will be dark. My pickle will be dark. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like right now. So I'm gonna put the sauce, the white rice. I'm gonna put it in that side. I'm gonna transfer it here. This is my biko. I'm also cooking a beans, mungo, for my lunch. Prepare. Because I'm going to cook a mungus. This one. These are my ingredients for my mungus. So, I'm gonna put all this one. Para isahan na siya. We're almost like 3 minutes. I already add the mungo or the beans here. I'm gonna put a salt and pepper to taste it. I'm gonna add the leaves. So I'm going to eat my lunch right now. So I'm already done cooking. So this is my food. I'm gonna show you guys. I have it's kind of this red rice and 1 cup of water and also the mungo beans that I make. So I'm gonna try it na. Kunti lang baya to. I like the taste. Lama siya. Kasi gulay. Lami. Malasahan dyan mo na. Ay, malasahan dyan ako ng munggo. Kaya, akong gasagolan na kay mga pure gulay lang dyan, gulay, sagol na karne or isda. Diba? Kaya okay ba? Matay. Naglaba ko nagaluto. Nahubasan ng tubig. Ang washing kay hindi mo gusto mong pikas siya giabrihan ang murag main source of kuanya ba sa water. Nawala ang tubig naman. So later, I'm gonna continue maglaba. But right now, mo siya kung kaon. Lagyan mo ko snack. Snack na ko. Pambaon ako sa akong office. While doing my work, I'm gonna get our one piece by one. So I'm gonna make piyaya. Pia. As along with the delicacy. So see you later. I'm gonna make. Okay, I'm gonna peel this banana. Magawa ko ng I wanna make a grilled banana, but suddenly I don't have a charcoal, so I'm gonna bake it na lang. I'm gonna bake it. Because I miss Miss Erin, this one. Sabi ko na lang ito kahit low siya. Nabalatan ko, this is already done, peeled off. This one, giulit ko siya kasi nahulog yung tray. My grilled banana, margarine and sugar. This is my grilled banana, baked I bake. Kasi I bake it then margarine and sugar. Gonna taste the one that I bake. Alam mo ko, charcoal oil. I don't have a charcoal, so I bake it. Ang saan ito? Ang init. Masarap siya. Because you're gonna dip in the margarine and a sugar. Like this. Mainit. Bye. Because I need to prepare my ingredients for my piaya. It's evening time, so another cooking. Mag-ito. I add my malunggay there. Kasi takluban. This is what I have right now. So this is the finished cooking I have right now.